Oops, what happens when we can't read a chart? That's what I think a lot of bears are asking themselves because we have now pretty much complete the first wave of our W. We now have 2 daily closes above our 200 DMA. And I think that right now they are saying, man, not only what is going on, but I knew it all along. Screw it. It is time to buy. So the challenge is that when we don't know how to read a chart, we are now going to be up here right at resistance. And only now are we starting to realize that, oh my goodness, there was a huge move off the bottom. And because you're locked and loaded right up to the tits in short positions, now you don't actually know what to do. This is where you should be initiating short positions if you were trying to play the fallout from this pattern. Let's look here again one more time. We were at 278. Now we're at 290, 295. We're 20 points higher. The pattern is almost complete. When we look here to our high at 296.88, we're within about $1 of getting there. We're like really close. We're 99 cents off. So as fear and greed is now getting into greed, what's the saying? Well, buy fear, sell greed. We're into greed. You've been shorting the fear. Now you're probably going to cover into the greed because you don't know how to read a chart. And what I want to leave you with is going to be a positive message at the end. So please make sure to watch all the way through to the end if you don't mind. And if you could please smash a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. All right. So we talked about this emotional psychology for a while. And the story I've been hearing from the bears progressively during the week is that, oh my God, the downtrend. Oh my God, the 200. Oh my God, now it's PCE. Well, both numbers came in pretty good here, right in line, 4.4 and 0.3. Market reacted bullish. Year to date, we now have the double-digit gang. We got Apple up 12, Google up 10, Amazon up 19, Tesla up 47, NVIDIA up 35. So this is like really incredible. And I actually need the other chart I had here. This is the one. So we're going to close this down and realize that, wow, it's been like a huge year. Visa up 10. American Express is up 10% today alone. And part of the story, I think, is that if we look here to a rolling 30-day calendar for options that have not expired yet, we look to our overview, it's roughly 1-for-1 put call ratio. These are options that are still not expired. And for Tesla, there's still 9 billion short, 1 billion long. So if we understand the psychology chart and we now look here to Tesla, let's just delete these lines. Let's go to Tesla. Oh, crap. It's kind of what we talked about yesterday. Yep. And the W is pretty much exhausting itself here because we're now hitting the upper end of the first wave of the W. And only now bears are like, wow, as bearish as I was, there's like a lot of money to be made on the upside here. It's nearly 50% off the lows. The dub, yeah, it's pretty much completing. Okay, well, Tesla did it. Let's look at Amazon. Amazon, oh, it kind of did it back here. And then it fizzled a little bit and then bounced hard off the 50. It passed. So now it passed the previous two tops. That's what's really interesting going into earnings. All right, let's look at one more. Netflix. Why? Well, we talked about this one. So this is what a leader would look like, just like with Amazon, where we have the W, we have the bear trap, right? This is the trap right here. We ultimately gap over the top, previous top, and now we're up an additional 10%. And only now, this is now starting to show some warning signs of being exhausted. So now it might be time to short or sell Netflix. Not before, only now, in my opinion. And if we look at one last one here, if we look at QQQ again, like the big question is whether or not we're going to blow over it, like we saw with Netflix, or if we're going to start to fizzle down, like we saw with Amazon. And until then, if we back test about 283 or about 10 points lower, we have still not even broken the chart. So please make sure to drop me a comment and let me know what you think. Are we going to go up or down from here? And if you did an oopsies, don't feel so bad. I make mistakes all the time. Thanks so much.